welcome to my channel. Today I was gonna do a wee video on our little barbecue setup on our Jayco Caravan. It's not a Jayco feature or anything. It's just the previous owner. He had a friend that was an engineer, and he made up something that's just a good little barbecue platform, and it's quite handy. This is my Weber BBQ that we use in the caravan, and the caravan's got these little plastic tables that fold out, and they're rated to about 30 kg, so they're probably sturdy enough to have the barbecue, that size barbecue on them. But I think you couldn't cook on the table with it, because it would probably melt the wall of the caravan. So the previous owner had sort of a good wee idea. So what he's done is, we're lucky enough with this caravan, it's got enough sort of chassis and strengthening to have a bit of metal in underneath it. This bit of metal here is what we're going to pull out to show the platform of the barbecue. I don't know if you can see with the shady, but there we go. There's a bolt with a pin through it that holds this metal into this is a beam underneath the chassis. I've got the pin and the bolt and the pin out. So now this will slide out. So as you see, it's just fits into the sort of steel girder that goes underneath the caravan. So it tucks away when you're travelling. So once you've got it pulled out from the side of the caravan, you just turn this piece of metal to the sideways, so like that, and then that white board will go onto it. Right, so we've got our piece of metal out, and we've got the piece of wood that goes on top of it. This is our platform that's sort of coming off the side of the caravan. So all we need to do now is put the barbecue on. So there we go, we've got the barbecue ready to go on the platform. Just got to connect the gas bottle up to it, and I can see that I've got the pin and the bolt still on the ground, but I usually put those back in the hole. There's another hole drilled in, and it just keeps it a bit more stable while you're cooking. Pleasantly surprised when he showed me this little feature. It's wouldn't be hard to do. It's lucky that we've got a sort of metal framework under the caravan that it can be put into, but maybe not everyone's caravan would be like that. But if you've got a similar sort of setup, you could probably